I'm sure you've heard the news. Deceit invites tears, and Chamisa has a powerful message for us. Bread of deceit is sweet to a man, but afterwards his mouth shall be filled with gravel. Proverbs 20:17 reminds us that every deed has consequences. Chamisa emphasizes the gravity of this wisdom. When we embrace temporary gains or momentary pleasures through deceit, we ignore the lasting consequences. All unjustly gotten gains and ill-gotten treasures end in tears. The false delights of life may shine bright for a moment, but their glow fades, leaving pain and regret. Chamisa's message is simple yet profound. Integrity matters. Honest living may seem harder, but it spares us the bitterness of deceit. As we reflect on this wisdom, let's strive for truth and justice in all our actions. Blessed Sabbath.